So, normally I wouldn't do these kinds of walking on the beach type of videos. But then again, Ipanema Beach is not just any beach. And it might prove to be useful information to see what one of the world's most famous beaches look like just a regular Tuesday in the middle of the pandemic. Here we go. Starting at the eastern end at Posto, Lifeguard Tower 7, we'll be walking all the way from this area called Arpoador to Leblon in the west, about 2.5 kilometers. So, while Copacabana might be the most renowned beach of Rio, Ipanema is the one usually favored by the young crowd and the locals. This stretch is a little more refined, less touristic with fewer hustlers and just a little cleaner water. Posto 7 is a popular hangaround for surfers and for families living in the nearby favela, as it's next to the metro station. So, this far not that crowded, but Posto 7 is not the most popular part of the beach. It's gonna get much more crowded. First half of Posto 8 is usually considered the most quiet part of Ipanema Beach, mostly for families and people who want some peace and quiet. Such an amazing day at Ipanema Beach. Can't believe it. But from the second half and on, things start to get a little more interesting. This is where the gay section begins and the young people join up. Hello, thank you. I love you too. But remember, it can be dangerous to walk around for a long while without filling up those water deposits. So, according to Brazilian law, you're not allowed to walk more than 2 postas without having a caipirinha. And we're not breaking any laws here, are we? So, which is the main reason to visit Brazil?
I think people here are very friendly and welcoming. They're always willing to talk to you. They're always nice.
And also we have amazing beaches and the weather is always amazing, as you can see.
We have a lot of beautiful places.
Like the beaches. We have great food,
and
drinks
like caipirinha.
Yes, brigadeiro.
A lot of good foods too. Yeah, come to Brazil.
Yeah.
Alright, revived by that God-sent beverage, let's continue our journey towards the end of this beach. The so-called gay section stretches for just a little bit more and is usually recognized by good music and people having fun. This is also where it gets wild during Carnival.
Obrigado! Bom dia, meu amigo! Marcela, sim!
Caipirinha I have lemon, passion fruit, strawberry, kiwi, pineapple e mango.
I want all of them. Maracuja!
Maracujá.
From now on, it will only get trendier, and people's wallets will be thicker and thicker.
Bem-vindos ao Brasil!
One more time.
Bem-vindos ao Brasil!
Ipanema is one of Brazil's wealthiest districts, and now we're closing up to the parts of the beach where people come to shine.
Hey amigos! ¿Te gusta esa Rio, no? Obrigado. Muy grande. All right, so just another short break. Okay, I'm not totally sober by now, but let's keep going with this beach walk.
Some people are afraid to come here, unfortunately, because we have some problems. But we love to have like people from other countries here. We'd like to know other people. We are very kind, and we love to talk and to know, like to get to know other persons.
Now arriving at the little more exclusive, super nice Ponto 11, also known as Leblon.
The Leblon neighborhood is even more exclusive and expensive than Ipanema, and as a tourist, don't come here feeling entitled. The rest of the people are probably more successful than you are.
And look, there's Ola! Welcome, Ola! Thank you, Richard.
If only the ocean would have been clean enough to, well, actually swim in.
Obrigado!
Well, someone is not that afraid of the famous Leblon sewage water.
gotta say, I'm a bit shocked over how little people it is here in Leblon. This place is usually packed this hour with this weather.
This is how it looks any given weekend.
That's it. That's the end of Ipanema Beach right here.
Yeah, I'm sorry about the somewhat looser feel of this video, but hey, what did you expect from a beach walk video? I promise you, next video will live up to the very high standards of the Swedish gringo. See you soon.